Excellent.
Welcome,
Wow.
welcome.
Yeah, we've been such hot debate and conversation.
Yeah, we're
In the
getting
musical
heat
break.
here.
Well, let us introduce you to our wonderful guests, Brother Io Benson. Hey, welcome.
Thank you, Glenys. I'm
Okay.
very excited to be here.
Okay, a little background about Brother Io. By profession, he's a chartered accountant with an MBA from Oxford in the United Kingdom. So we, we're in the presence of royalty, so to speak. And his background is in the corporate environment, and he spent many years in the environment. And after spending so many years, he wanted to devote the rest of his career to helping entrepreneurs and have become a business coach. So, that we're interested with that, and we're going to learn a lot about that from a business coach. And he wants to help people get exponential results without the stress of working 70 to 90 hours a week. I'm going to repeat that, 70 to 90 hours a week. People who are maybe in a 9 to 5 cannot comprehend that. But people who are working for themselves can. Because basically the clock doesn't stop. There's no clocking in or clocking out. Dark night doesn't make any difference. When you've got a deadline to meet, you've got something to make, you've got to do, you keep on going until it's done. So I'm going to pass it over to Brother Io Benson to tell us about himself and his journey and bring us up to where we are today.
Thank you for those kind words, Glenys. I'm really blushing. Can you see?
That melanin blush.
Black man blush.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the introduction. My name is Io Benson, as you've said. I've worked in the corporate environment for so many years, and I trained so hard to become a chartered accountant. And I just, sometimes we need to reflect about our lives. I just looked at myself and I asked myself the question: is this what it is all about? You work 30 days, then you get credited with a lot of money, and then you come back and do the same next month. So where is my impact? So I felt I could be making much more impact, especially within our community. What I did first was I wrote a book called Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance. It's a 300-page book that it talks about getting your mind right for you to actually get anything right in your life. I've received a lot of great feedbacks about the book. People that have read the book and have actually turned their life around just because of that. So today I want to talk to our people about business. Today I want to encourage people to go into business. There are so many opportunities out there today that I can tell you, there are places I can tell you to go that you can start a business tomorrow.
Okay.
There are things you can do to start a business tomorrow. Without a website, right? You can start an online business tomorrow selling one product. Selling just one product. I'll give you an example of one of my clients. She was introduced to me by one of the other clients, and she came to me. I didn't want to take her up at the time because, one, I was busy. Secondly, she didn't fit into the profile of my regular clients. But she said, "Look, I'll do anything you want me to do." So I took a look at her and I looked into her eyes. I could see that she was determined. I said, "Okay, let's try." We started with a business plan. She was selling wigs and all these hair products that you women love. And she was in a very small shop. She was barely able to pay her rent. And I told her, I said, "Why aren't you online? Because you're just selling their products. It can easily be delivered. People can buy it and it's delivered to your customers. You don't even need to do anything. Built a plan for her. Now she orders from, to cut a long story short, she orders from China, right? When they deliver, they don't even deliver to our shops. They deliver straight to Amazon.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
And then people go on our website to buy, right? And Amazon will go and deliver it on her behalf. She doesn't even touch the product. Last year, her turnover was £400,000.
Wow.
This year, she'll probably make about 700,000. You know, and she doesn't touch the product. You understand? So from one small shop, right? Now when she's sleeping, she's making money.
That's what we like to hear.
Right? So a lot of people in our community, pick one thing. Pick one thing you can sell, and let me give you where you can go. You can have a website tomorrow. You don't need anybody to build any website for you. Go to Shopify. You know, if anybody has a pen, go to Shopify. Shopify, you just put your name there. You just register, and they will give you a website that will do everything for you, even including payments.
Wow, that's good.
So that was what my clients used. So pick one thing that you love. It could be sunglasses. It could be household item, and you know there are ways you can actually set it up that you don't need to touch anything, including your marketing. We call it automated marketing system. There are systems that we can set it up for you. You place your advert on Facebook, people register, then you engage with them with newsletters, 2 or 3 newsletters before you even ask them to buy anything from you. By the time you ask them to buy things from you, they already build trust in you, and that makes that sale very easy. And all of this, you can automate it. You prepare it and implement it once, right? And then you can sit down. And maybe you come back every 2 weeks and check, is everything going all right? Or you look at your mail and check and reply to it. So some of our people, we are not aware of opportunities like this.
That's the thing.
And you know, people are waking up 4 a.m., they're doing a job they don't like, but they haven't got the direction or help. You know, everything in life is about the right opportunity at the right time. About business coaching, if you get a good coach, your business can explode 100 times, 200 times, 300 times. I've seen it with my clients. It's not because they are much smarter than before, they're doing the right thing. Because Peter Drucker said, efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right thing. Most business people aren't doing the right thing. They might be efficient, but they aren't doing the right thing. And if you aren't doing the right thing, you're not going to get the right result. So it's very, very important that people are effective, and a coach will help you do that. And a coach like me, with my accounting background, business background, being an entrepreneur, being an author, so I've done it all, and that's why I'm giving your listeners, 5 of them, 2 hours free session to transform their business. Maybe you take their names and invite them back in 1 year's time and ask them what has changed, and then we'll see what happens from there.
So listeners, how we're going to run this is, you need to send us, so the first 5 people that email us on moneymobinfo@gmail.com. I'll repeat that. The first 5 people that email us on moneymobinfo@gmail.com will get 2 hours business coaching with Aya Benson. So when you send the email, your name, your contact number, please. So the first 5 that email,
and their business,
and the details of their business. Yes, but you have to be in business, not thinking about it. You actually need to be in business. So we need your full name, a contact telephone number, and the business that you're in, and how long you've been in business as well, please. So Aya, how can people get hold of you?
My number is 07939 5000 and 53, or Facebook
Sorry, I missed the
Okay.
number there. Can you repeat the number, please?
Okay, 079 39 5053.
Right, I got that.
And my Facebook is Ayo Benson 44. Ayo Benson 44. That's facebook.com/Ayo Benson 44.